Welcome to HealthTech Remedy here at HLTH. I am here at the booth for KardiaComplete.
Hi. My name is Ed Daley, so I oversee the employer and strategic alliances group here at AliveCor, which is KardiaComplete is a part of. KardiaComplete is the world's first and only whole spectrum virtual COE for cardiovascular health. So everything from prevention, the tools and technologies to understand what's happening in your heart, beyond just hypertension, through treatment. So folks that need help that have a CVD existing today can get it right through our virtual cardiology appointments. So we're solving problems like a 33-day average wait period to go see a cardiologist. We're doing it 48 hours. I like to say that your zip code should have nothing to do with your ability to get the care that you need for your cardiovascular health, and we're actually overcoming that challenge. Part of the experience when somebody from an employer or a member of a health plan is this KardiaComplete kit. The value of this is it actually brings together critical health data, blood pressure cuff like many organizations out there offer, but the real treat is this 6-lead personal ECG device, medical grade, FDA cleared, that's proprietary and patented. You can only get it through AliveCor and Cardia. The device itself is about the size of a Band-Aid, and through it, you will be able to get ECG readings at home whenever you want, and combined with a blood pressure cuff, you get the most complete picture of heart health that you can get anywhere on the market today. It's available in 43 countries. We offer our program in 15 different languages, and we have over 6 million users, with half of them being recommended by a physician. So we're deeply embedded and integrated into the healthcare system today, and now bringing this to employers and health plans in the vertically integrated COE version of KardiaComplete. What's nice about what we're doing with KardiaComplete as well is, when we think about the high cost of cardiovascular care, so much of it is because people will use the ER as the primary place to go when they're having an event. What we have seen is that we're able to reduce unplanned admissions by 68%. We've shown reduction in ER visits by 58%, whether it's related to arrhythmias or some cardiac event. So we're actually reducing real costs for employers and health plans by empowering people with the largest data set that they could ever have and access to virtual cardiology within 24 to 48 hours. It's a game changer for employers and for plans.
And right now, is that the primary market that you feel has the biggest value proposition?
Absolutely. I think in today's world, employers are so inundated with organizations all vying for their time. It's critical to work with companies that can actually reduce costs and deliver care in a better, more efficient way. And employers are at the heart of that. They care deeply about their people, but they need solutions and programs that work. And that's what we're providing. This is 256 peer-reviewed studies out there in the market today that validate us clinically and our abilities to actually drive down costs.
All right. Well, thank you for your time.
Yeah, my pleasure.